Welcome to the Deep Dive. Tonight we're tackling a really big one, a cosmic puzzle. I know gets you thinking. Billions of stars, right?
Mm.
Are we really the smartest kids on the block?
Or maybe just the newest. It's a fantastic question, really gets to our place in the whole universe.
Yeah.
And our listeners' curiosity is spot on. We're digging into some ideas from who are the locals of the universe, exploring these potentially hyper advanced civilizations.
And why we haven't heard a peep. That's the mission, right?
Exactly. Why the apparent cosmic silence?
Okay, so let's dive right in with, well, the elephant in the room,
Mhm.
the Fermi paradox. If these super smart aliens are out there, why is it so quiet? No signals, no radio waves, nothing.
That really is the crux of it. And the source we're looking at, it offers this really intriguing idea. Maybe, just maybe, our tech is the problem. Maybe we're listening with outdated equipment.
Outdated how? Like stone tools outdated.
Sort of, yeah. Imagine civilizations that are just light years ahead technologically. They might be using communication methods we haven't even dreamed of.
Okay, I think I see where this is going. Our reliance on radio waves. It's only been around for, what, a century or so?
Barely that in cosmic terms.
Right. So the analogy the book uses, it's like comparing radio to pigeon post. Imagine trying to send a text via pigeon to someone with, like, satellite internet. It just wouldn't work.
That's a perfect way to put it. It hits the nail on the head.
Yeah.
If you've got a civilization harnessing immense energy, maybe galactic scale, a Type 3, some call it,
Yeah.
their way of talking across space would likely be something completely beyond radio.
So what are we talking about then? What kind of next-level communication does the book suggest? Must be pretty out there.
Oh, it gets pretty wild. Think about things like maybe nanoscale gravitational waves,
Yeah.
tiny targeted ripples in space-time itself carrying information.
Whoa. Whoa.
Or, maybe information traveling along threads of reality in other dimensions we can't perceive yet.
That's some mind-bending stuff.
Yeah.
So the implication is huge.
It really is. We could be, completely surrounded by signals like a cosmic internet buzzing all around us, but we're just
Blind to it. We don't have the right senses or tools.
precisely. We're still figuring out the basic rules of the universe. It's like listening for a dial-up modem screech in an age of, well, whatever comes after fiber optics. We might be listening completely wrong.
Which kind of leads to this other big idea, right?
Yeah.
That maybe we're just the new kids, the cosmic newcomers.
Yeah, the book definitely explores that. The universe is incredibly old. Countless civilizations kind of emerged, evolved, maybe even disappeared long before Earth even formed.
We could be incredibly late to the party.
Very late. And if you think about that and connect it back to the title, Who Are the Locals? It really makes you wonder.
Who are the established players then? Are we like toddlers stumbling around a university campus filled with postdocs?
It's a humbling thought, isn't it? And maybe a little unsettling, too.
Yeah, definitely unsettling. The idea that these advanced beings might be aware of us, maybe watching us.
Like we study ants, perhaps, observing from a distance. Or maybe they're closer than we think, operating in ways we just can't detect yet.
It really pushes you, the listener, to think, doesn't it? If our understanding is so limited now.
And what else are we missing? About everything, really. About the universe, about intelligence itself.
So wrapping this up, the big takeaway from diving into who are the locals of the universe
Yeah.
isn't a definite yes or no on aliens. It's more nuanced.
Right. The silence we hear might just be a sign of a huge technological mismatch, a gap.
We're not hearing anything, perhaps, because we literally can't hear what
Yeah.
they're saying. We haven't built the right kind of ears yet.
Exactly. Absence of evidence isn't evidence of absence, especially here. It just highlights how much we don't know, how limited our perspective still is when asking these huge cosmic questions.
Okay, so here's a final thought to leave you with, something to chew on. What if the universe isn't silent at all? What if it's actually humming, buzzing, absolutely filled with signals?
But those signals are as far beyond our current grasp as, say, streaming video would be to someone from the 1700s. What could those truly unimaginable forms of communication even be? Something to think about. Thanks for joining our deep dive.